20s is a very exciting age group because that's when you start earning money. But there is only one problem. Majority of young folks that start earning money have no clue about where to invest it, and they end up making many financial mistakes. Honestly speaking, 20s is the time that would decide the fate of the rest of your life. A wise financial planning would help you live a financially comfortable life, whereas wrong financial decision could end up destroying your financial life. Hello everyone, I am Sahil Badvia and welcome to another video of this educational series. In today's video, we'll discuss how someone in their early 20s who has just started earning may invest the money for achieving financial goals. To begin with, every person who starts earning has a lot of dreams. They want to buy those fancy gadgets, go on nice vacations, spend money on parties, buy gifts for family, and buy the dream bike or car. And there is nothing wrong with spending money. You have worked hard to become self-dependent and you deserve that pampering. But make sure that while you spend the money, you should also start saving and investing from day one. A lot of people think that they have an entire life to save and invest. So it's time to enjoy life. But the problem with this mindset is you never build a saving habit. I know many people who earn as high as rupees 1 to 2 lakh, but they're not able to save much, because they're stuck in the vicious cycle of an expensive lifestyle and have huge EMI payments and credit card bills to pay. Now, I'm sure nobody wants to work for the rest of their life. Especially in today's corporate world, there's a lot of pressure. So it does not look like we can work till 60. That's where you need a retirement plan from day one. The best part of investing at an early age is you can unleash the power of compounding. So let's assume you are 22 years old and recently got a job. There's no liability. You're free to do whatever you want with your salary. You think, I'm young and I have enough time to save. So you spend everything for the next 10 years till the age of 31. Now on your 32nd birthday, you realize that you can't work till the age of 60 and you need to save money for retirement at the age of 50. So you start investing rupees 25,000 per month for the next 19 years till retirement. Let's assume you generate an annual return of 13.5%. With an investment of rupees 25,000 per month, you will invest a total of rupees 57 lakh. And at 13.5% return, your investment value in 19 years would be rupees 2.65 crore. Let's take another case. You are 22 years old and recently got a job. There is no liability. You're free to do whatever you want with your salary. Now you think, I earn enough to live a comfortable life, but I should also plan my retirement savings. Let me save rupees 25,000 per month. So you start investing rupees 25,000 per month for the next 19 years for retirement purpose till the age of 40. After that, you have another financial goals. So you stop further investment, but let that money grow for another 10 years till the age of 50. So with rupees 25,000 per month, you'll invest a total of rupees 57 lakh, and at 13.5% rate, you'll fetch rupees 2.65 crore till the age of 40. Same as case 1. But if you let the money compound further for next 10 years without additional investment, at 13.5% rate, it would become rupees 9.4 crore. In case 1, when you invested at age of 32, you ended up investing rupees 57 lakh. And corpus became rupees 2.65 crore. In case 2, when you invested at age of 22, you ended up investing the same rupees 57 lakh and your corpus became rupees 9.4 crore. Can you see the difference? If you started 10 years early, you will end up with 3.5 times the investment corpus of case 1. That's the power of compounding. Basically, with early investment, you get the benefit of power of compounding that helps you achieve your retirement goal at much earlier age. At the same time, you don't need to compromise with your lifestyle. So that's all for today's video. I hope all you 22-year-olds watching this video get inspired and start investing, because starting early is the best. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.